So Student Support Services, they're basically an organization that helps first-generation college students that are underrepresented, and they help in terms of providing tutoring, workshops, modules, a lot of academic support, and a lot of advising. The peer mentoring program has gone through a couple changes. Currently, right now, there's, I would say, around 10 mentors, and the program basically any mentee that wants to have a mentor will get assigned a mentor of their choice. There's monthly meetings, and then there's also meetings where you meet as a group. So every mentor has at least one mentee, and 1 month it'll alternate. 1 month would be that you guys meet individually, you and your mentee, and then the next month would be as a group. And you guys can, of course, meet outside of those meetings. You know, you guys can study together, work out together, get food together. So when I was a freshman, I had a mentor, and she helped me a lot in terms of giving me tips on how to maneuver through Rutgers. And not only that, she was a really good friend too. And then the second reason is I think Student Support Services is a great opportunity for students. So I didn't want to just be a student taking in what they gave us, but also being a student who's giving back. And I've been mentoring since I was a sophomore. I really feel like mentoring is me being able to connect with other people and just helping people out. And essentially what I want to do in my future is helping people and in the healthcare field. So I hope that it will help me develop better communication skills and just helping other people out. You really have to be a friend to them first and not just be a mentor. So a big thing we always talk about is how do you help them if they keep saying they don't need help? You really have to be their friend first and be able to connect with them on an emotional level, and then they'll start coming to you for help, and so they don't feel like they're just using you. There's things that your mentee says to you that makes you realize this is why I love my position. So I would say my favorite part is really being that person that's making a difference in their life, and not only just in academics. A lot of me and my mentees we're actually good friends. So definitely the aspect of helping them out and them realizing and thanking you for it.